Okay, so earlier we placed the aluminum bed assembly loosely down onto the charger. And all you have to know about positioning the bed on the charger is that this wall, and I'll zoom in here, this inner wall has to be on the inside edge of this steel. The little tongue goes just on the other side of this steel, and the entire bed nestles down on the floor. So this aluminum right here, with the loose crossbars and everything else, is on the inside of that steel, and it rests on the floor. There's a little bit of gummy stuff on the bottom. It sits right on top of that. And at the front of the car, it's the same thing. The area right by the rear seat, the leading edge of the front of the rear seat. So how you know you're in the right spot is these holes right here. So this hole right here lines up with the old seatbelt hole. Now, if you remember, when we were cutting the car, we left about a 4-inch section of the seatbelt tab loose. And this is just the old seatbelt bolt. You throw this in there, tighten it down. I don't tighten it tight yet because that tells me I'm in the right spot. So now we can progress to putting a few set screws in place. You know your rear is in place. You know the front is down on the floor. And we can put 4 or 5 little sheet metal screws in place to hold the bed here, and then we'll do the front B-pillar.